Do you want to see how my $20 a month agent replaces a small web development team that costs $200,000? Stick around until the end. This isn't a tutorial. This is real work done by our product manager at the company. I'll show you how we redesign simple pages without a designer or a developer, with all the screw-ups, mistakes, fixes, and the entire process. Hi, I'm Andrew Zupko, CEO of Talent Tech. Let's get started. So, what do we have? We have a page, the roadmap of the career portal. And we want to redesign this page. I have my AI assistant, and I ask him to make the design better. We're writing a prompt, improve the design for me. Improve the design and layout of the page, make it more modern and friendly. And it should look in the same style as the whole application. So I ran it, and now I'm waiting for the result. The AI coding assistant started generating code for us, and now he's going to modify it. All right, take a look. Here he wrote that okay. I understand what is happening in the code. I understand the code. Now it's writing. Let me look at the code style, the design style. What does it say next here? Okay, I understand the content. I understand the design. I understand the layout. That's what it's writing. And now, it's looking for the calorie settings in the app. That's it. It's starting to edit. See? Look, it writes editing. It's starting to edit the code. At the same time, I have my app running, the web page, and I can see everything that's happening in real time, everything it's editing there. It will refresh the pages, and I'll see the results. If there are any errors, I'll see those errors right away. Right now, it wrote that it tried to edit something. See, error while editing. So, it got some kind of error. It's trying to fix it, and now it's generating some code examples it wants to use. That's it. It generated the code. See, it wrote out step by step what it's going to do, what it suggests to do. And then it asks me. So there are options from here. Or I can set it up so that it doesn't ask me and just makes the changes automatically. But since this is a complex page, it offers me a plan. Then I approve this plan, and it moves forward. Like when I wrote go ahead and apply the change. It proceeded to edit, and as you can see, it's making changes to the page. And during the process, as you can see, it keeps commenting. He comments on his every action. Now I'm taking the main component and implementing a modern, mobile-friendly design. So, as you can see, it started making edits. I can see errors appearing on the page. It sees this too and starts making changes to fix these errors. Look, it keeps editing, and new errors are popping up. It wrote that it fixed something and explained exactly what it did. But as you can see, there's still an error on the page. So what do? I just copy this error and paste it to it as a prompt. Okay, it says it will fix it now and understands what the problem is. As you've probably realized, it doesn't always work out on the first try because this page is pretty tricky. And he got an error on his first attempt, so that's a normal thing. Some people actually give up on using this tool after that and say, "That's it, it doesn't work for me. They're not ready yet. It's still raw. But keep watching. So, he's still trying to fix the problem. He's trying different approaches. As you can see, the page is refreshing. Now he's suggesting that I run a command. He says, okay, let's create a new file and test it there. I confirm. With the file, it didn't work for him on the first try again. He fixed it for me. As you can see, the second time everything is fine now. He created a completely new file and is going to experiment with it now. Basically, that's exactly how a developer should work. Because if you have something complicated and you need to make a lot of changes, you make yourself a copy, a duplicate, or you have it in a Git repository and you work with the copy. So, he created a completely new file, renamed it, and now he's suggesting to bring back the copy and make it the main one. Look, the screen now actually shows the page with the new design. And he wrote out for me step by step exactly what he did. So, let's keep going. I can either accept this design or continue modifying it. And let's say I don't like this design, and honestly, I really don't, and I want to improve it. So I write to him, I really honestly don't like just how much empty space the image of the roadmap actually takes up when I look at it. That's it. I don't say anything else. And let's see what he does. I don't tell him to shrink it or move it or anything like that. I just said that I don't like how much space it takes up. And look, he keeps doing exactly what I need. He made some quick adjustments, reduced the height of this block, and wrote down exactly what he did. But I still don't like this story. But for now, let's move on to the next block. Here we have this lower section with the roadmap task list. Let's work on that first. So I tell him, let's fix and improve the block with the roadmap task list. And now we wait for the result. And yes, as you can see, he did a redesign and wrote what exactly he changed. He redesigned this block in the roadmap structure. So, let's take a look at the result we've got. Let's open up this structure. Well, basically, okay, that's already better. But now let's go back to the main part, to the top section. And I write to him, I still don't like the top part of the page. It's taking up too much vertical space. Let's improve that. And that's it. Let's see what he does next. So, he makes some edits, revises it, and wrote that I'm significantly improving the page design. And basically, as you can see, the design really has changed a lot, and I like it much more than before. But, let's keep going. This isn't the end yet. And I write to him, let's improve how the roadmap image looks. And I suggest some ideas to him. I say, maybe let's try combining the roadmap image with the title, make it a background, and see what we end up with. Okay, look, it's actually not bad. He listened to me, made the background, set the background image, and reduced its height. Not bad, but let's keep going. There's a View Full Image button there. I don't really need it, so I just say, I don't need this button. And one more idea. I tell him, let's actually combine this picture, this background with the next task block. That way, we'll also get rid of one unnecessary block in terms of height. Let's go. Let's see what he comes up with. Okay, as you can see, He made the background for the next task block this picture, but this block with the roadmap structure is still there. And as you understand, we don't need it. It's already unnecessary. So let's remove it and tell him. Let's remove the background with the roadmap structure. Great, now I actually like it. We've really simplified the header, significantly reduced its height, reworked the structure, and it looks very good. And this isn't magic. This is how programmers, developers, web developers, and product managers are really supposed to work today. Because just imagine, if a product manager has the skills to do this, they don't even need to know how to code. See, I haven't written a single line of code. And if a product manager can handle this, sitting together with AI and brainstorming, just like I'm doing in real time, saying, let's remove this, let's add that, they can save the company weeks of time. In a real-world scenario, a lot of companies would still hand this off to a designer. A week later, the designer would come back with the design. Then they'll hand it over to the development team. In the best-case scenario, the development team will come back in another week and deploy it to the server. That's at least 2 weeks. I did it in 15 minutes. In the next video, I'll show you how to easily create your own Jarvis, your own personal business coach and assistant, without any programming. No coding, no special tools, just a ChatGPT subscription. Write your comments, share your case in the comments, and I will definitely answer all your questions and help you figure out how exactly to implement AI in your case to improve your work. See you soon.